Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation slide and see how it looks like. If you like this kind of transition, don't forget to look into my channel. You will find lots of them. Okay, let's start in how creating them. At first, we need a new slide. How to make a slide? Like we format background. From here, choose solid fill and black and apply to. Okay, then we go to insert from the icons. We need to find the light bubble icon. Here you can find it easily. Okay, you can find it easily, but it takes a time for me to find it. I am very bad at it. Okay, but let's try our best to find the light icon. No, this is not the light. Okay, after finding that, you just simply insert it from here like this and wait a little time for it to insert it. We think we insert the light bubble, we copy that. Here is the graphic format. After inserting that, you just simply color it black and increase or reduce it in size. After increasing in size, we have it in the center. We copy this slide and here you just color it yellow and just simply format the background and use gradient fill. For the gradient fill, we are using to use what? A radical, and in the radical we are going to use mid radical, and then we are going to create a wave of fire. How? By delete this thing and delete this thing and delete this thing, add a more blacks. After adding the blacks, just simply format the transparency of the blacks from the lightest one to the darkest one. We go with 10% with this, 20% with this, and 30% like this. You can also add more of them, but it's enough for me to create this effect. After creating that, you just simply copy this slide another time and write your text there. We copy the text, paste it here. Just simply press Ctrl and Shift to reduce it in size. Bring it up, format background, and use gradient fill here also. And your slide has been created. Now you just need to set the transition of all the slide to morph. Now let's see what masterpiece we have been created. If you like this kind of slide, don't forget to look at my channel and please like and subscribe and ask me if you need anything in the channel.